Hey guys, Jeff from Nevada Drive Academy. Just a quick tip to help you pass your driving test. Passenger buses are required to stop at the railroad track, look left and right before crossing over. If you're behind the bus during your driving test, don't change lanes. Bus is only going to stop temporarily. Also, do not stop on the railroad track. If there's traffic, you need to be careful. You need to be 15 feet before the track, stop, and you need 15 feet on the other side of the track to be able to cross over safely. It's an intersection. The other thing you should do is scan left and right as you're crossing over. Please subscribe for more tips on how to pass your driving test. Check out these next videos.